Hey everyone, if videos are not playing in Brave browser, stuck loading, or showing a black screen, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your videos working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable internet is one of the most common reasons videos won't load. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes the video just fails to load temporarily. Now close Brave completely and reopen it. This clears temporary glitches that can block video playback. Some extensions can block video scripts or ads required for playback, so temporarily disable extensions and test again. Brave shields can sometimes block video elements or trackers needed for playback. Yeah, try turning shields off for the video site. If videos are still not playing, corrupted cache or cookies might be the issue, so clearing browsing data can fix playback problems. Make sure Brave is updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues with modern video players. Another important fix is enabling hardware acceleration. This helps videos render smoothly using your device's GPU. If the issue continues, test the same video on another browser or device. Yeah, this helps confirm whether the problem is with Brave or the website. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This fixes deeper system issues affecting video playback, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser video not playing and get your videos working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.